Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In our last video, we explored the concept of sampling and its various types. We have seen in our last video what what is sampling and what are the different type of sampling and their subtypes. Like sampling is taking the subset from the whole population for which we are investigating the problem, and and the different type of sampling such as probability sampling in which all the member of population have equal chance of selection, and in non-probability section there is no equal chance of for selecting the member in the population. And there are different type of probability sampling methods such as simple random sampling and stratified sampling and cluster sampling, and in non-probability sampling like judgmental sampling, quota sampling. So we will discuss all these sampling methods one by one in the video. So today in this video we will explore the concept the simple random sampling. So we will see what is simple random sampling, what are the disadvantages and advantages of the simple random sampling, and and we take and we will take an example of simple random sampling, and then we will see why we need to use simple random sampling, and how we use simple random sampling. So let's start the video and watch the video till the end, and let's see what is simple random sampling. So we have talked about sampling. Yeah, in the previous video we have talked about sampling. So sampling is basically what? Sampling is taking the subset from the population, taking the subset from the population. So this is sampling. So we have seen sampling. Yeah, this is sampling. And we have seen different type of sampling, like first is probability sampling. Probability. Yeah. Probability sampling. So in probability sampling, we have seen the all the member of population have equal chance of selection, and then we have seen non-probability sampling. Another is non-probability sampling. So these are the two types of sampling we have seen, and their different subtypes. So today in this video, we will see sampling, simple random sampling. So simple random sampling is a type of sampling in which all member of population have equal chance of selection. So from the definition, we can see that all member of the population. So basically in this figure, you can see that this is the population. This is our population. This is our population, and all member of this population have equal chance of selection. Like there are three types of group here. Like one is blue, one is denoted as blue, another one is denoted as green, and another one is denoted like this is let's say this is sky blue and this is blue. So here are three groups. So each member, all of all of these members have equal chance of selection. Like I have selected some sky blue person and blue person and then green person. So this is our sample. So this is our sample. So here is a sample of here is the size of sample is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 into 4, 16. So here is 16 people and I have selected 3 people at random. So this is the type of simple random sampling. So here all the member of population have equal chance of selection. So this is simple random sampling. And what is the advantages of this simple random sampling? Most basic kind of sampling. Sampling error is easy and calculate. In this type of sampling, the sampling error is easy to calculate and generally more representative. And the disadvantage is that need a list of whole population. We need a list of whole population to select the member from for the sampling. And another disadvantages can be costly, time logistically difficult, because if see if our if this is our population, it is small. See, if our population is large, then it can be costly to select the member from the population. So this is the disadvantage. And let's talk about an example. In the last video, we have talked about an example for the university. है ना? So for the university, imagine a university of 1,000 student. So this is our population. Yeah, this is our population. And what is the query? What is the investigation we are doing? So to gather opinion on a new campus policy, we are applying a new policy on the campus. So we are taking survey selecting 100 by selecting 100 students from this university. So what is the survey? To gather opinion on a new campus policy. And we have select some 100 student from this university. So this is the sample size, student 100 students. So these students represent this whole population. And what is our query? Our query is this. Our query is this is our query, which we are going to survey from these 100 students. And these 100 students represent this whole population whole population. So this is the example. This is the basic example of the simple random sampling. Another example, you will tell me in the comment box. So this is the this is the example to ensure that every student has an equal chance of being selected. So they decided to use simple random sampling. So in this, for if you are going to select 100 students, so list the population. So list all the 1,000 students in a list, and randomly select 100 students from 100 students by 100 unique students from these samples. So, and survey these samples and provide the feedback on the new policy. So this is the example. And what are the key points here? We have seen equal chance of selection, है ना? Equal chance of selection of each student, equal chance of selection. Another key point is no bias. There is no bias. Every student is selected, so the selection process is purely random and eliminating any potential bias. And another key point is representative. Another key point is representative. If the sample size is appropriate, the result from these 100 students can be generalized to represent the opinion of the entire student population. So this is the sampling method. And let's see why we need sampling method. So why to use simple random sampling? So when to use simple random sampling. So another question is, when do you use simple random sampling? So simple random sampling, we have seen, is a research and statistics method. So in most of the situations, it is very effective. So when to use? So when our population is homogeneous. Homogeneous means when the population have same groups. Like in this example of university of 1,000 students, we have seen here there are 1,000 students and no other member included in this population. So the population should be homogeneous, means there is no other member included in the population, because there's a little variation within the population. A simple random sample likely to represent the entire population accurately. So for Example, sampling a batch of identical products from a factory line for quality control. So this is the example for as homogeneous. So in the it's like you can consider a product identical products. So identical products means there are unique there are identical products. We are going to take the samples from these products which are unique. So there is a homogeneity in the population. Another reason is a small to medium population. Another reason is a small to medium population. So the population should be manageable, manageable, and you have to complete all of you have to complete list of all members. So the population size is manageable, manageable, and you have a complete list of population, all or members. And see, we have seen if the population size is large, then it can be costly. So this is the area when we use simple random sampling, and there is no need there is a need for unbiased representation in the population. So unbiased need for unbiased representation, need for unbiased representation. And another one is limited resources, like resources are limited and quick straightforward sampling is needed. Limited resources, when we have limited resources, then we can use simple random sampling. Limited resources. And another point is no prior knowledge of population segment and equal weight of for all individuals. So these are the some points where when the simple random sampling is used. So equal weight for all individuals, all individuals. So these are the area where when the simple random sampling is used. So this is all about simple random sampling. And if you like my explanation, then hit the like button and comment and also comment this another example for simple random sampling and comment how you like the video and share share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So we will meet you in next video. So till then, keep learning and keep practicing. Bye bye.